Good afternoon guys! What's up mga runners? So today we will run an LSD or long slow distance. Pero ang Huawei plan talaga natin is walk and run. Pero I feel na mag LSD. Try ko mag 10k in easy run pace. Try natin kung matapos natin. Quick tip guys, did you know that LSD is the fundamentals in building endurance, especially running at half marathon or ultra marathon. So schedule kayo kahit 1 to 2 times a week ng LSD nyo. Let's go. 1k 641, 2k 649, 5k 717, 6k 819, 7k 630, 8k 19, 18, 22. Rehydrate muna. 9k 1504, 10k 637, 11k 729, 12k 780, 13k 821. Namumulikat na ang aking left leg. 15k 837, 14k 751, 16k 729. So guys, that's our 16 km run. Nakakapagod pala mag 16k, pero sulit naman. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be healthy, and always run for your life. So kaya naman pala tumakbo ng ganong kalayo nang hindi ganong kabilisan. Kaya lang, peace, run safe everyone.